Okay, so creating this one is an offset plane. You might find this very useful if you want to draw something above, especially with your seating project. So I've created this small ring, if you like. It's at an angle. When I extruded it, I did a taper. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to create a structure above it. Now normally if I go to sketch and create sketch, I'd have to create it on here and move it, but I don't want to do that. So we use this thing called construct an offset plane, and then it asks you for a plane, so this top surface. So it creates this artificial drawing surface that you can draw on. In fact, it's realistic. So if you drag it above and we look at, say, a side view or a front view, which isn't working at the moment, you can see that it's actually above. So now if I press OK, that becomes something that I can draw on. So if I now go to, and this is a useful feature, if I now click on the top here and I activate the whole component, and I go to create a new component, what will happen is this will go light grey, which is fine. And often you'll lose this plane. So the actual plane that you can go and find it and you can turn it on and off if you ever lose it. So that's quite a useful feature as well. So now I'll create sketch on the top of that, onto that plane. And let me just centralize that. And I'll just put another C for circle. And then I'll stop the sketch. And then I'll create, extrude, create, extrude. And you'll see that I've got a component that is above. And if I activate the full component, you can see both quite easily.